If you are a remote worker or a digital nomad and you want to stay in a hotel that provides you comfort as a traveler and as a worker, then I got you. I have found the website for you. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munira Nadhira Badru. You're going to Tech Savvy Virtual Assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. As a digital nomad or a remote worker, as you are traveling, one of the things that are important to you as you book your hotel is a fast and reliable internet, but you also want to stay comfortably working as you are enjoying your staycation. In this video, I share with you the website where you can book your hotel and stay working comfortably remotely. Finding a comfortable and a productive workspace while traveling can be challenging. But with this website, it's going to be easy for you to book a hotel room, a villa, an apartment where you can work and at the same time enjoying your travel. This website is called tripoffice.com. When you go on this website, you're able to see training destinations. Each hotel or apartment on this website has a workstation. A list of hotels on this website, they provide you a comfortable working chair, professional desk, high-speed internet. This website has hotels in 104 countries, 38,080 cities. When you scroll up here, you enter a city, town, or village you want to travel to. So I'm going to choose a country here, and let me say I'm going to enter the destination, Nairobi, Kenya. I'm going to look for a workstation. Check in, Friday, check out, Thursday, guest, one guest, and research. So when you search here, you provided a list of hotels near Nairobi. Is Frontiers Hotel Entebbe. So this hotel has a workstation. So you have to view the deal and then you book. You can book from booking.com. Depending on your search results, you provided hotels, apartments, and Airbnb near that location. If you are not convinced, you can compare the same search on other sites like booking.com, Priceline, and Agoda. Let's try to see the deal. Booking.com, show more amenities. You can see there's airport shuttle, free parking, restaurant, garden, golf course. So let's try to view the deal. Booking.com to see how much this hotel will cost you. You can contact the hotel or the apartment directly and you book a room with a workstation. Now here's my conclusion on TripOffice. The best thing about using this website, it makes it easier to find an apartment, a hotel, or Airbnb with a comfortable workstation. So if you're a remote worker or a digital nomad, I would definitely recommend this website to find yourself a comfortable and a productive workspace. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. This is something out of my personal research. If you found this video helpful, kindly don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss out any video that I post. Thank you for watching. Bye.